In Islam, we have a system of zakat. Every rich person who has a saving of more than the nisab level, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. If every rich man gives charity, poverty will eradicate from this world. There will not be a single human being who will die of hunger. Every rich man who has a saving of more than the nisab level of more than 85 grams of gold, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. And after that, if any man robs, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 38, وَالسَّارِقُ وَالسَّارِقَةُ فَاقْطَعُوا أَيْدِيَهُمَا جَزَاءً بِمَا كَسَبَا نَكَالًا مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَاللَّهُ عَزِيزٌ حَكِيمٌ. As for the thief, whether it be man or woman, chop off their hands as a punishment from the Lord for their crime. Some people might say, chopping off the hands in this 21st century, Islam is a barbaric religion. Islam is a ruthless religion. America, happening to be one of the most advanced countries of the world, it has the highest rate of crime and theft. I am asking the question that if you implement the Islamic Sharia, that every rich man who has a saving of more than the nisab level of more than 85 grams of gold, he should give 2.5% of his saving every lunar year in charity. And after that, if any man robs, chopping off the hand. I am asking the question that will the rate of crime and theft in America, will it increase? Will it remain the same? Or will it decrease? But naturally it will decrease. You implement the Sharia and you get results. That's the reason. The least rate of crime and theft in any country in the world, it's in Saudi Arabia. You implement the Sharia and you get results. Many people say that if you go to Saudi Arabia, every second person you come across, his hand has been chopped off. I've gone to Saudi Arabia several times. I have not come across a single human being whose hands have been chopped off. There may be human beings whose hands may have been chopped off. But the law, it is so strict that a person, he will think 10 times, he will think 100 times before robbing. And if you make the law lenient in Saudi Arabia, even the rate of crime and theft in Saudi Arabia, even in Saudi Arabia, it will increase. Therefore, if you implement the Sharia, you will get results. Let's take another example. All the religions, they say that molesting a girl is wrong, raping a girl is wrong. Christianity says that, Hinduism says that, Islam says that. So what's the difference between Islam and the other religions? Islam, besides saying that molesting a girl is wrong, raping a girl is wrong, it shows us a way how to achieve that state of goodness.